Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to update stages into pipeline. So let's see about that. You can see here a module Dev CRM Mass Stage Updates. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM app, iPhone to select this too. Now go to action menu and see here this menu mass stage update. Now click on select here stage that which you want iPhone to move into qualified. Let's update. So see here your selected pipeline is move new to qualified. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.